Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tish, and you're watching Forge Nest. Beautiful day again, and I can finally do this pile behind me. I've got another pile here as well, and I will show you my new toy. It's a shredder that I can hopefully do some work, some really work that will change the property. I decided all the small wood chips to be just on the road. Chuck it on the road, and I can actually do my road as well. And then I'll start from the property and work the way up. Maybe just where my turning point is, I'll get all that pile, shred it here in front of the house, see how it is. Hopefully it will last 2 or 3 years. That's the major. Hopefully the major work of the house will be in about 3 years, and we can get a proper gravel road. Until then, the wood chip will do absolutely fine. This pile here, that's what I'm gonna do first. And inside the car, it was very heavy. It was absolutely nightmare to get it from the place where I bought it. It's a petrol engine. Look at all these blades. That will chop everything you put inside. Well, that's what I hope so. Let's get it out from the car. So I got this box that's not part of the machine. It's some bits and pieces that I've ordered. Put it on site. Get all the wood pallet out. Just dump it somewhere here. At least this is not very heavy. It came in a wooden box and about 100 kilos altogether. It took 4 people to put it in a little van, and then took it to my car, assemble it, and then we put it in the car here. So these are all the parts. Oh, I wonder what's that. I think need to put some grease on some places. Yeah. Seems heavy duty. Look at that. Well, I think that's where the wood chip is coming out. That's where it's getting in through this. Oh, I gotta read the manual, see how it goes. Alright. Seems well built. 7 horsepower. 212 cc. Nice. That's a heavy thing. this wheel. Don't forget the washers. One here, so I got one washer in, got the wheel. Alright, presume the bolts, they need to go as well. Yeah. So I think this is the stand, that's the position how the machine will stay. Can't be bothered to go and get a proper wrench down in the shed. Yeah, that'll do. See? Square. That's some really heavy duty stuff, to be honest. That's why it's so heavy. Want to make sure the gasket, the rubber gasket, well, sealant, I don't know how to call it, it's properly. Oop. So far I like the quality of the machine. Okay, here it is so far. So put the wheels, got this stand here, got the one that the wood chip will be coming from here, and we need to put where the feeder is. Okay, I can see here something is not quite right. I'm not sure I put this or not put it. Looking good. So I got a few cables. Okay, so that's some sort of a sensor that needs to go to the engine. Look at this. Okay, so that things go straight here. Go straight here. No oil. Okay, so I've got the wires here. There's no oil. Actually, this is a 4-stroke engine. Hopefully I'm not mistaken that. I've looked at the manual and we've got where to put oil for the engine. Try to see the dipstick here. That's a nice little dipstick. It's good that they put a label no oil. So we'll see the dipstick, how much oil we'll get. I think that should be okay. Petrol here. So after playing for a while, I realized the machine didn't have enough oil, and that's why it didn't want to start. I put probably another 100 milliliters of oil, and then it started. I pulled twice. It was easy. I read the manual. Apparently if there's not enough oil, there's automatic switch. That's good. I didn't record it, but I started it and I did some I left it running for a bit, and then I did a few branch to see how it works, and I think that'll be great, absolutely great. I'll do all the waste, just dump it here. These small ones, they will be like that. I don't think the car will mind this, and I'll carry on here. Obviously the ones that are too wide, I won't be doing them. I'm only gonna do the small ones. I tried few and the machine didn't like them. Well, it cut them, but then the engine struggles a bit. So I don't want to push it too far, and I'll leave these ones on side, and I'll cut them with a chainsaw, use them for the wood burner. Start the engine now, and I'll do a bit more work. not too bad, not too bad. The things, so I did a few pieces. The road looks okay. Well, further up the road, that way you need more layers of the chips, the wood chips, and I think will be great. This will cover the ground and will stop the mud to rise up for the moment. And actually it is quite deep, look at that. I might just need to spread it a bit, and I'll carry on more. Hopefully I can do this by the end of today. So folks, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. See ya!